So when I look at people and I see how they are obsessively compulsive about about perfection, I just understand that, man, this person is definitely not going to make the kind of progress that they want. They would only dream of progress, but they'll actually not make progress. And it's not a curse. It's not a curse. It's actually the reality, right? Because when you begin to understand that when you are ready, you are late. A distant mentor of mine said that. He said, when you are ready, you are late, right? And understanding that readiness in itself is actually a myth. There's no such thing as readiness. In many aspects of life, right? In business, many people say they want to do business, and okay, you want to go register your business name, you want to go set up your website. I literally sold to over 400 people last year without a single fucking website. Am I saying websites are not good? No. I made millions of naira last year and I didn't have a single website. Not even a single website. So what's your excuse? Right? Forget the fancy. You see, don't you see when you want to make progress, one of the things you need to learn is to focus on the things that really matter. And trust me, the things that really matter are actually very few. Like very few things actually matter. Like very few things actually matter. Right? What are some of the few things that matters when it comes to business? How to bring people, how to bring eyeballs to what you're doing, how to get people to see what you're doing, and how to get them to pay for what you're doing. When you're starting out as a first-time founder, these are the things that you should focus your attention on. These are the things that your attention needs to be focused on. This is where you should channel your attention, channel your energy. Not on dumb shit like website and all that. Website is good. It's good for branding purposes, of course, authenticity and all of that. It is good, but if I want to start a business from the scratch, I don't think that's be my first call of action, except it is something that is going to directly lead to sales for me. That's like the only clause, except it's something that's going to lead directly to sales for me. Complimentary card. What do you need it for at the start of a business? What do you fucking need it for? But people rather focus on dumb shit like that than the real field, which is actually making sales. You should be thinking, how can I set up Facebook ads? That's a better question you should be asking yourself. How can I set up Facebook advertisement? How can I get set up an ad? Do you necessarily need your course to be ready before you start selling it? Maybe not. I sold courses last year. I sold access to one of our challenge we're having without even preparing the fucking videos, right? The lessons were not ready and we're already collecting money from people. People call it a scam. Well, you still got access. You need to understand the concept of idea validation. See, in 2020, I did something happened that really changed my life, right? I spent hundreds of thousands of dollars or hundreds of thousands of naira, borrowed money, and created a course. What happened? Fancy websites, you know, spend so much money trying to, to create the course, edit the course, all of those kind of sexy thing, trying to make the course look sexy, and then all of that. And I did not focus on what I was supposed to focus on, which was what? How to get people to actually buy what the fuck I was selling. And guess what? No matter how fancy your website is, no matter how beautiful, how sexy it is, if it is not receiving sales, no matter how beautiful your course is, if sales are not coming in, it's going to gather what I call online dust. Have you ever heard online dust? It's going to gather online dust, right? It's just going to be on your Google Drive or maybe on the platform that you uploaded it. Your goal should be fucking to get eyeballs, baby. That's what's important. Eyeballs. Eye fucking balls. That's what's important.